Welcome to Celeb Explore Hub. We bring you a story of solidarity and strength amidst adversity. As Hollywood actress Shannen Doherty extends her heartfelt support to Princess Kate Middleton amid their respective battles with cancer, the world watches on with empathy and concern. But what led Shannen Doherty, known for her roles in Beverly Hills 90210, to reach out to the Princess of Wales? Let's delve into the details. It all began with an emotional message shared by Shannen Doherty on her Instagram, offering words of encouragement to Princess Kate Middleton after the royals' revelation of her own cancer diagnosis. Doherty, herself a cancer warrior, understands the challenges of battling the illness while under the relentless public gaze. In her message, Doherty expressed admiration for the strength displayed by Princess Kate amidst the relentless scrutiny surrounding her health. The actress emphasized the importance of privacy and respect during such challenging times, calling for empathy and understanding from the public. This outpouring of support comes at a crucial moment for both women. Shannen Doherty, who has been candid about her own cancer journey since her diagnosis in 2015, recently underwent brain surgery and radiation treatment, demonstrating remarkable resilience. Meanwhile, Princess Kate's battle with cancer was made public in a deeply personal video message filmed at Windsor, where she spoke of the shock of her diagnosis and the importance of family support during this trying time. However, amidst the solemnity of the situation, some celebrities found themselves under fire for insensitive remarks made prior to the announcement of Kate Middleton's illness. Stars like Blake Lively faced criticism for jesting about the royals' absence from public duties. As the world rallies behind Shannen Doherty and Princess Kate Middleton, their stories serve as a reminder of the strength found in solidarity and compassion. Let us honor their courage and resilience as they navigate through these challenging times. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to Celeb Explore Hub for more updates on your favorite celebrities.